Hello and welcome. We will be talking about one of the most recent additions to our portfolio, that is the Avni Fluff Pads. This is another variant of cloth reusable pads that we have, but there is a lot of difference, and it's very hardly in India that we've seen pads like this. So soft, give you 100% dry feel, and are extremely easy to wash and maintain. This is how the pads look like. So if you see, first of all, they do not look like pads. The way we have designed them is in a smart flow kind of a design, which does not really look like a pad. So even if you are putting them outdoors, nobody will notice that it is a pad, sanitary pad that is drying. This is an ideal pad for a young girl who is starting on her periods for the first time, or even anybody else, because the material that we have used here are extremely soft. This fabric on the top is an engineered polyester fabric which gives you 100% dry feel. This is a blended fabric. It will give you 100% dry feel, even better than the cotton ones that are normally available in the market. It's a very thin pad. Inside the pad, there are layers and layers, 4 to 5 layers of absorbent fabrics that give you 6 to 8 hours of dry feel protection easily. And the back side, this side is a leak-proof laminated layer. It's fabric, but it is leak-proof, designed leak-proof so that nothing leaks out. So this is how the pad is designed. They have buttons like this, so you can just put the pad on the panty and snap it up like this at the bottom. Three major benefits. One is the antimicrobial technology that we have incorporated prevents the bacterial buildup in the pad. So you do not have to worry about infections and bacterial contamination in the pad. This is a self-disinfecting pad. The other thing is, as I mentioned about the DryFeel, it is a very good pad for anybody who is using a cloth pad for the first time. It can be a young girl who is just starting with her period, or even an adult who has never used cloth pads but she wants to start using a cloth pad now. This is a very good product. And the third important thing is the wash care and maintenance. I'll quickly take you through. The first point is when you need to wash the pad, soak in water for 10 minutes. Preferably use the liquid detergent that we have developed because it has stain removal properties also. And once the soaking is done, gently rub it. Once you rub, all the blood is out. Just give it a couple of rinses with clean water. After that, you either complete the wash with hands or put it in a washing machine for drying. These pads, after the washing is done, preferably sun dry. If you're not able to sun dry, dry them in a well ventilated space indoors, and that will be all. It doesn't take more than 7 to 8 hours for it to dry. Regular drying time like your other garments in the given season and the geography. These pads are available in two sizes. This is a large size. This is the extra large size and this is the double XL size. We are going to introduce two more sizes, that is the large size and a double XL size also very soon. That is work in progress. Maybe when you will be doing this workshop, you will have those sizes. These pads come in cartons like this. We have a pack of 2 and a pack of 4 which you can purchase on the website.